Are you looking for the best inflatable bounce houses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best inflatable bounce houses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Royal Palace Inflatable Bounce House with Slide Bouncer. We understand some of the best inflatable bounce houses are quite hard to set up. Fortunately, Bounceland has this one that requires minimal effort to assemble and take down. You can use less than 60 seconds to finish the installation so your kids can play almost instantly. What's more, it holds more than one person simultaneously to encourage a fun interaction. Measuring 31 feet long by 12 feet wide by 9 feet tall, the interior has ample playing room. Additionally, this inflatable shelter features an 8.5 feet by 7 feet bouncing areas to give the kids the freedom of movement. They can jump up and down for hours while improving their leg muscles. We also like the included slide with a lengthy size measuring 10 feet for more sporty adventure. Powered by a heavy-duty UL blower, this unit stays inflated for long. More features include an inflatable basketball hoop and a removable sunroof. Moving on at number 4. We have the BESTPARTY inflatable bouncers. The best part of a bounce house is the slide, but this best party model is a step above the rest. A standard bounce house features a slide to enter the house, but this one uses a climbing wall inside the bounce house to reach the slide, so it's much higher up, and a bit more thrilling. It also features a jumping floor, crawling tunnel, ball pit, and basketball hoop. This one can safely hold 4 children 3 months and older, with a maximum weight of 70 pounds. It's easily set up and can be fully inflated within 2 minutes. Thanks to reinforced high-net sidewalls, your kids can play safely. If it's a rainy day outside, this is a suitable size for indoor playing as well, 10 by 10 by 7 feet. At number 3, we have the Jump and Splash Bounce House Bouncer. The Jump and Splash is a combination of splash pool and a bounce house that can be used wet or dry. It features a bounce house on top with a slide that goes into a small pool at the bottom. The total inflated size is 11.5 x 9 x 6h with a pool area of 78 x 58. You can use this indoors and out. However, you will need a larger space for indoor use. It takes just minutes to set up and take down, but it is recommended that you dry it completely before storage. It's on the more expensive side, but the investment is a good one if you plan to host summer children's parties. A few uses and you've made back the money you would have spent renting it. Kids can climb, jump, slide, and splash. It is bright, primary colors and has no recommended number of children, though the weight maximum is 300 combined pounds. The house comes with a hose, blower, stakes, and storage bag. At number 2, we have the inflatable Jump and Slide Bounce House with heavy-duty blower. It has 3 mesh slides that act as a protective element to keep little ones safe. At the same time, you can watch them from a distance as they jump up and down. In addition, this item's stakes can anchor this unit in a firm position. You don't have to worry about unnecessary movements when the children are playing. Plus, a convenient blower delivers continuous and reliable airflow to prevent deflation. In addition, this bounce house is crafted from heavy-duty material that resists punctures better than the rest. It ensures you have value for money, and the kids enjoy an extended play. What's more, its dimensions are 106 inches long by 137 inches wide by 65 inches tall when inflated. This is enough space for multiple children to play together. And finally at number 1. We have the Action Air Bounce House. Action Air is the best inflatable bounce house that suits most outdoor events. You can gift to a friend or buy one for a relative to hold a birthday party. Also, it can be used indoors or outdoors for the little ones to delight in a fun playtime. This item satisfies the CPSC test and meets all child safety standards to guarantee a secure operation. What's more, it is encased with mesh sides to prevent falling while jumping. If you notice some air leaks from the seams, this is necessary to avoid overinflation. Furthermore, this inflatable shelter is extra thick for maximum durability. Your kids can use the large jumping surface for more exciting squeals. In addition, the sliding area and durable stitching enhance safety. Note that this product measures 6.1 feet tall by 9 feet wide, 12 feet long to hold up to 250 pounds. That means many children can play at the same time for fun interaction. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.